One of my aunt lives in a non-Muslim country and she asked for advice regarding her daughter. She's worried for the sanctity of her home because she found that her 19-year-old daughter has been engaging in acts of kufr relating to magic, black magic, such as worshipping idols and seeking their help in casting spells and curses. As a Muslim mother, she wants her daughter to follow Islam and move away from all of this. And so she wants to know how she should go about helping her daughter.
This is a problematic, akhi, because she lives in a kafir country, and this kafir country is on the edge. They're just waiting for you to slip and make a mistake where they can incriminate you, put you in jail, take the kid away from you, highlight you in the media of being fundamental terrorists, extremists who force their daughter on this and that. They have no problem if your daughter would go to a nightclub and have an orgy, that's fine. If she drinks, if she consumes drugs, that's fine. If she poses in nude clubs or nude websites and maybe strips in a striptease club, that's fine. But do not force them to do anything in according to your religion and belief. And you can't do anything. And this is one of the price. This is the price you have to pay for living in a kafir country. This is what's going to cost you. So you have no other choice but to try to reason with her, to speak with her and tell her this is shirk, this is kufr, and try to be diplomatic, try to be wise, try all means possible, bring people of knowledge to speak to her. And if she consistently insists on such kufr and blasphemous acts, then you have to maybe take drastic measures, such as kicking her out of the house before she spoils the other children, and Allah knows best.